a lot. Like, it's one of my favorite places. Like, it's really nice. Like, you get to see trendy stuff.
You know everybody been waiting.
Hi guys, I'm Reliance. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Into this video, we are gonna be doing the what's on my phone video with you guys. So I wrote a list of things down that I'm gonna be talking about, and of course I'm going to show you guys on the screen. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. We're going to have to take these glasses off. So we're gonna start with my wallpaper. That's my picture, yes of course. And then the first screen, yeah, well, in my first screen, well, I have my calendar, my FaceTime, my mail, my clock, and also the photography where you find my camera and my photos. So we've also got the weather, map, stocks, app store, podcast, TV, health, and wallets, which I don't use because it's just there. I've not actually opened it, so I don't really know what it looks like. My notes, that is basically where I make plans for everything. Like everything I'm gonna do. If I wanna get something, I wanna shop something, I write it down there. So like in case I forget, like I just run straight to my notes and notepad and I just like find it, stuff like that. I play a lot in there. There's so many things in there. At the title of my videos, like, so yeah. So guys, on my second screen, like the second slide, I have files, find my shortcuts, iTunes store, translate, which I don't really use, yeah. Utilities, and my socials. In my socials I have my Instagram, my Snapchat, my YouTube, my Facebook, and also well, my WhatsApp. So on my Instagram, sorry guys, so my Instagram, like I've been posting, but I have not been consistent with posting on my Instagram and also on my TikTok, but y'all can still follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, and of course I'm gonna be posting stuff for you guys. So yeah, anyway, we gotta stay hydrated. So Pinterest, I really love Pinterest because I get to go there to, like, you know, get ideas most times, and yeah, it actually helps a lot. Like, it's one of my favorite places. Like, it's really nice. Like, you get to see trendy stuff, and it just keeps me updated on things. Yeah. To have a Messenger and Insta save, yeah, to save things from Instagram, things I like. So I also have my Gmail, my dictionary, my Bible. I also have Facetune, Beauty Plus. So I'm gonna be talking about the apps that I use to edit my videos, my YouTube videos in my phone. That is the InShot app, and then I also have CapCut, but mostly I use InShot because InShot is just simple and stuff like that. Yes, I know there's iMovie, blah blah blah. I used to have iMovie, but then I don't really know what happened, but like it just left my phone. So yeah, right now I'm using InShot and CapCut. Like, I mostly use InShot, like everything, the transitions, blah blah blah, everything you see in my videos, I use InShot. Yeah, InShot. So it's really easy to work with. I do not like apps that when you want to edit a video you have to like struggle with it and stuff like that. I really don't like it because personally I like to edit. Yeah, I love it. Simple apps that, here I'm looking for this, I'm gonna see, like, it's not like after I finish editing and stuff like that everything is all, I don't know, not in place and stuff like that. Anyways, so I just use InShot and CapCut, and for my thumbnails I use the thumbnail maker. I think it's the thumbnail maker or stuff like that. It's there on the screen. So I use that to make my thumbnails. It's really good. I like it. And I have my YouTube studio to monitor my YouTube videos, everything, how it's going, and yeah, everything about YouTube. So, and then I also have YouTube app here where I watch videos, YouTube videos, and I also upload. So I have favorite YouTube videos that I like to watch.
The FSA.
My Story animated. I swear, like, I love that. Like, that shit is crazy. It's really I watch it like every single day. I have loads of it on my phone. Like, I watch it like whenever I'm on YouTube. Like, there is no way I am gonna see an MSA video and I'm just gonna screw back. I don't know. Shout out to y'all MSA. Like, it's good. I like it. So I also watch makeup videos and blah blah blah, stuff like that. Just random things on YouTube. So yeah, I have Netflix and also my finance, where I have my bank apps and stuff like that. I have my music too. I have Boomplay. I have YouTube Music, yes, and I have a flag box, yes. So mostly I use the YouTube Music because, like, in adding music to my YouTube videos, like the ones that are copyright free, like it's definitely the YouTube Music for me, yes. Ever since, I have been liking it because, like, you can just use whatever music you want and then your video is not going to get blocked for copyright music and stuff like that, which I really hate. I know everyone hates that. So yeah, I have all my favorite artists there. So yeah. And then of course we have shops. I have the JUMIA and the Shein. I do not really shop with Shein, but I would love to because, well, I'm in Nigeria, so I don't know, it's kind of like gonna be stressful for me, but I love the things Shein has. Like, I really want to shop with them, so maybe one of these days I will. But mostly my go-to shopping app or store is Jumia. Y'all know that Jumia, yes. I did an unboxing video of random things that I got from Jumia. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link of the video in the description box so y'all can go check it out. Anyways, so that is that. I also have a game, and that's just Episode. That's the only game I have on my phone. Yeah, I used to have games, but I don't know, these days I've been so busy lately and I don't really have time to, like, you know, play games on my phone, stuff like that. So there, I still play, like, love Episode. So yeah, so anyways, that is basically what's on my phone. And yeah, I don't really have that much apps on my phone because, well, please ignore my backdrop. I don't know, it's looking weird. Yeah, I think I need to hang it up properly or something. But and also that's just foundation. The bitch refused to leave my skin. Anyways, so for my favorite movies, yeah, I love to watch cartoons a lot. Yes, I love cartoons. As weird as it sounds for most people out there, but I like it. That's just me. Yeah, I've been watching it ever since I was a kid and I still watch it. I'm saying I'm still gonna keep watching. It's currently okay, I am watching Avatar: The Last Airbender. Oh my god, I have watched it before, like in 2009, stuff like that. So I don't know, like, you know, back then, like the way I watched it, like, I wasn't really stable, so I'm just going over it again to watch it. Yeah, because I like it. Yeah, I really like it, so I'm not gonna lie. For movies, like I said, I am currently watching Riverdale. Yeah, I'm late on it, yes, I know, but well, it's interesting, so yeah, why not watch it? I'm watching Riverdale and Shadow and Bones. I'm also currently watching what's it called, Insatiable, and I think I'm gonna start Bull Beach. Yeah, I've seen it, I've watched the trailer, it's interesting, but I've got lots of movies that I'm watching, so I just don't want, like, everything, like, I also watched First Kill. Oh yes, I remember. I also watched Never Have I Ever. Yes, that is really interesting. I like it. It's one of my favorite movies here on Netflix. So, and I also watched Stranger Things. I think I'm on the last season, sorry. Like I know the new episodes coming out, so yeah, I'm still watching that. So yep, if you're looking for apps to edit, like simple apps, yeah, InShot is my go-to. Yeah, y'all can try it. So anyways, stay tuned for my next video. Please like and subscribe. I don't know. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next. Bye bye.
Cause it's not safe for you.
Is this thing
like
on?
a pussy little bit. Track hard with the kids.